So many Glad Girl glue rings to choose from. Which one is right for you? Our first glue ring is our volume split cup in pink, followed by our large white split cup. Next up is our standard pink split cup, and last but not least is our standard white glue ring. Our volume glue ring is perfect if you're wanting to create smaller bases with your fans. So you simply want to take your favorite Glad Girl glue, this one is our Mega Pro Hold, and put it into either side of the wells. Next up, you want to take your fan and simply slide it through the grooves. This helps remove any excess adhesive, as well as makes the bases smaller so that you can place it onto the natural lash easier. Moving on to our large split cup, this is perfect for using dual products, something like an adhesive and a remover, or an adhesive and a tint. And last but not least is our standard glue ring. This is perfect for both individual and volume lash extension sets.